a war on the streets, killing 9 and they stripes. These homies that they kill for the price, just to settle in this life, living one step at a time. These homies that'll tell you about their life. It's a war on the streets, killing 9 and they stripes. These homies that they kill for the price, just to settle in this life, living one step at a time.
The clock is ticking, niggas better make way. Once the strap bust, leave you colder than a parfait. Real chickens, I'm talking real pigeons. Chop it down and serve it up, have a happy Thanksgiving. We like a mob, that's why they try to incarcerate us. But once one goes down, we connect like a whole family. Homies come and go, as does the season. That's why I roll with my heat, bugging at niggas for no reason. Then they try to say I'm crazy, blame the motherfuckers that made me. Then the feds tryna lock me up, like SBM told them niggas, you can sick my duck.
These homies that'll tell you about their life. It's a war on the streets, killing 9 and they stripes. These homies that'll kill for the price, just to settle in this life, living one step at a time.
No stage fright, always shining like stage lights. There's no duplicating me, never made twice. Caged in the system, forgotten but never forgetting. I was giving good advice, so I sat down and listened. Strong-minded in a muscle man contest. I journeyed far to overcome my conquest. Strapped and loaded, when I had to show it, them gas exploded until they had to know it. You couldn't walk in my shoes, let alone live in my world. The thought of me makes you earl so sick. Don't slip, cause you're bound to fall. That fool wanna play with me, I press pause. The end, I'll come again. You depend on fools who pretend. Never lose, I win. Molded in the hood, born on these streets. We keep shit airtight with no leads.
These homies that'll tell you about their life. It's a war on the streets, killing 9 and they stripes. These homies that they kill for the price, just to settle in this life, living one step at a time.
Check it out, how this life plans out. When you live into the fullest every day, there's no going back. It's a one-way lifestyle. When I'm in a cash, I like a bullet that let me down to rest. Gone forever from this lifetime. Till that day comes, I'm gonna keep my eyes peeled, packing a load of black 9-1 rhyme. I spit it, chilling with my homies, relieve my stress by getting high. Just thinking about the days I had to see my homies die. Damn, it ain't nothing I ever imagined to see. But like they say, you pay your price when you choose to live like me. I don't show no emotion, so I express it in my rhymes. Just how I write it, I feel, watch the clock tick as I waste my time. Shit always happens cause it's gangster that I chose to be. This path I chose so white but still so wrong, I was too blind to see. I should have known this ever since I lost you since. But my mind was set down killing mode, so I never stopped to think of this. And now it's far too late to ever leave this game. So I sit here writing lyrics for the passion, homie, fuck the fame.
These homies that'll tell you about their life. It's a war on the streets, killing 9 and they stripes. These homies that they kill for the price, just to settle in this life, living one step at a time.